Now, the Uddhav Sena leader Sushma Andhare has made a big statement. She says that since the doctor agreed to give details, there is a threat to his life. He should not name anybody, is the big piece of news that's coming in. The Uddhav Sena jumping into this entire controversy, coming to somewhat the defense of the medical staff involved in the tampering of the blood sample. Now the Uddhav Sena is claiming that because Dr. Tavre has agreed to open his mouth and take names of those involved in the entire scandal, given the fact that so many details are emerging about the cover-up. Now the Uddhav Sena is saying there are threats to the doctors' lives. Listen in.
एक तरह से आप कह रही हैं कि ये बहुत ही वेल कनेक्टेड, पॉलिटिकली वेल कनेक्टेड हैं डॉक्टर तावरे, तो फिर इनकी जान को खतरा कैसे होगा अगर इनको इतना पॉलिटिकल पेट्रोनेज है?
एग्जैक्टली आपने बड़ा अच्छा सवाल पूछा। हम आपको यही कहना चाहते हैं कि जो अजय तावरे पिछले 15 सालों से वहां पर है, जो कितने ही हाई प्रोफाइल केसेस में जो पॉलिटिकल अभियुक्त होते हैं और जिनको एक वीआईपी ट्रीटमेंट के तहत ससून में दाखिल किया जाता है, उनकी सारी देखरेख जो होती है वो अजय तावरे के पास होती है। उसके लिए अजय तावरे को एक मोटी रकम मिलती रहती थी। अब अजय तावरे जब खुद कह रहा है कि अगर आप मुझ पर हाथ डाल रहे हो तो मैं किसी को नहीं छोड़ूंगा, तो अजय तावरे के मुंह से वो बड़े बड़े नाम ना निकले, इसकी बहुत सारी जानकारी है, लेकिन मैं आज यहाँ रिवील नहीं कर रही हूँ क्योंकि मेरी भी कुछ, मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि अब जो 4 तारीख का जो वोटिंग काउंटिंग है, वो वोटिंग काउंटिंग उस पर सभी लोगों का ध्यान है और पुलिस और शासन और सभी तरह की लॉ एंड ऑर्डर के कई सवाल, कई मुद्दे खड़े हो सकते हैं। इसलिए मैं बोल रही हूँ कि मैं 6 तारीख को इस पर बात करूंगी।
So that is the pitch coming in from the Uddhav Sena, that there is a threat to the lives of Dr. Halnor and Dr. Tavre after this scandal came to light, especially their involvement in the blood tampering case. Remember, it has been revealed by top sources in the Pune police that Dr. Tavre and Vishal Agarwal, the minor's father, had a conversation 14 times over the phone. That is the pitch that's coming in from top sources in the Pune police. So that is the nexus, ladies and gentlemen, when it comes to the links between Vishal Agarwal and Sunil Tingre. Sunil Tingre seems to be the middleman between Ashok Tavre as well as Vishal Agarwal. To get more details, I'm joined by my colleague Yasha Kotak. Yasha, so explain to us the Uddhav Sena jumping into this entire controversy. Is it fair to say that Dr. Tavre also has that level of a political reach where he has connections in the Uddhav Sena to the extent that the Uddhav Sena is trying to turn the attention away from the superintendent of SGH Hospital towards the NCP MLA Sunil Tingre?
In fact, when you speak of the MLA Sunil Tingre, there are questions that have been raised time and again. Now, because he is an MLA from the Ajit Pawar faction, we've seen various leaders from opposition jump into the bandwagon. Right from the Uddhav Sena to we've also seen the NCP Sharad Pawar faction questioning Sunil Tingre. Here it's also about the fact that there have been speculations that have been raised as to why the NCP Ajit Pawar faction has been quiet on the whereabouts of Sunil Tingre. Why does no one know, in fact, as to where Sunil Tingre is? Of course, there are questions that have been raised about links of Sunil Tingre with Ajay Tavre. Earlier, when his name had surfaced in the kidney racket, it was Sunil Tingre who had shielded him. In fact, he'd given a recommendation letter from Hassan Mushrif to Sunil Tingre, which to Ajay Tavre, which led to his reinstatement. In fact, he was also given the position of HOD at Forensics Department. Here now, considering the fact that Ajit Pawar has been tight-lipped on this entire allegations against Sunil Tingre, but of course we've seen that the Chief Minister Eknath Shinde as well as Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis both have questioned this whole stance. They both said that there will be a fair probe and no one who's involved in this would be spared, which is where various aspects about Agrawal family and Sunil Tingre are being brought to forth both by the Shiv Sena UBT faction as well as the NCP Sharad Pawar faction. It is just because of the links of Ajay Tavre and the fact that Sunil Tingre has been quiet. In fact, in the very first instance, Sunil Tingre had himself mentioned that he had family relations with the Agrawal family, which is where he had come to help them and ensure that there's a fair probe in this case. Later on, of course, our investigation has revealed how Sunil Tingre and the Agrawal family have been close. In fact, the number of calls that were made by the father of the accused to Sunil Tingre, that's also under the scanner. And here, the fact that there is no case that's registered against him, or the fact that Sunil Tingre has not been brought to books in this very case, is something that's being questioned time and again by the opposition leaders. Of course, now, considering the fact that Dr. Halnoor has raised this point that there was a public representative who had called them up, there's a public representative on whose instruction they were all working. But despite all of this, the investigation does not reveal as to who the public representative is, which is where now the question remains, and which is where the opposition is in fact questioning the role of all those who are involved. Of course, one, the fact that he was reinstated when Hassan Musharraf was still the minister is also something that's being questioned time and again. Of course, then we also understand that during COVID it was an undivided NCP which was in the government. But despite all of this, the fact that Sunil Tingre has been incommunicado for the last several days, he has not been speaking to anyone, not answering calls, and according to the NCP AP sources, he is not even in touch with the party higher-ups. All of this raises further questions about the involvement of Tingre and why the government is not speaking on this.
Right.
Yes.
So it seems the